Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Onyx, the Stone of Attunement. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, and seeing if it can support you in your everyday life. And today, we'll be sitting with Onyx, the Stone of Attunement. And if you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Onyx, you may want to pause this video and watch that one. I'll link it up in the eye above so that you can get a feel for the supportive benefits of Onyx before we begin. And if you have a piece of Onyx, then you should go and get that right now and put it aside until we need it. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If any of the prompts in this meditation speak to you or raise red flags, then that's a sign that you should get a piece of Onyx and work with it some more. And if you do feel like Onyx is a stone that you would like to work with more, then I do have Reiki tumbled Onyx, Onyx bracelet and gemstone sets, and Onyx pendants in my online crystal healing store. And the link for that is in the description below. And then finally, if you'd like to learn all about crystal healing, make sure to hit the subscribe button. The final thing you'll need before we get started is a comfortable seat. So whether that's on a cushion on the floor, in a comfortable chair, or directly on the ground outside, the most important aspect is that you'll be able to be alert and also comfortable for about 10 to 15 minutes. So if you have your stone or you're ready to imagine it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and just start to breathe. Take some long, slow, deep breaths. And take a look at how it feels to breathe as you sit here. Does it come easily or is it tight? Just noticing what's going on. And then take a look at what's going on with your body right now, and your emotions and your mind. Are there any pains or tensions in your body? Any emotions or thoughts flowing through your mind? And we're not trying to change anything or fix it and make it any certain way. We're just noticing what's going on with you right now. How are you feeling? Without judging or trying to change it. And then bring your attention to those places on your body that are in contact with your chair or the floor or the ground beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. The whole planet is right beneath you. You're sitting directly over the center of it. And you are supported by the mass and the energy of the entire earth during this meditation, and it will support you. And then pick up your piece of onyx and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone. And if you don't have a piece of onyx, then imagine a shiny, solid black gemstone in your mind. And as you're holding the onyx, then get a feel for your piece of onyx. How much does it weigh in your hand? Is it smooth? Are there rough parts? Take a minute to get to know your piece of onyx. Notice if anything has changed for you, mind, body, heart, since you've picked up the onyx. And imagine that you are seated on a giant piece of onyx that is providing stability and support for you. And that a bright light starts shining on the top of your head, ready to receive divine guidance. And sit with this image of onyx energy for a minute. Onyx is the stone of attunement. As you hold or picture the onyx stone, consider the following questions and how they apply or don't to your life right now. Are you going through a time of grieving or mourning? Is your life currently stressful or overwhelming? Are you feeling adrift or at a loss for what you should do next or how to feel better? Do you want to discover the life lessons from events of the past? Is past life or karmic work something that interests you? Now, onyx is very supportive for all of these life situations. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your body and your mind, and sit with that and consider it for a few minutes while you hold the onyx gemstone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you sit with the onyx. Might not happen right away. And bring your attention back to your body. Notice if anything has changed for you since the beginning of this meditation. Your body, your heart, your mind. And it may take several meditations to start noticing differences. We're just watching. We're not trying to make anything happen. And then release that image of onyx energy and release the situation you were thinking about. And even you can put down the stone and just come back to your breathing. You may want to shake off a little energy and just breathe. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me during this guided meditation with onyx, the Stone of Attunement. And I hope you found this useful. And if you do feel like you'd like to work with onyx some more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the onyx energy as soon as you pick it up. You want a little focus, or you're feeling sad, or you want some support and relief, then you pick it up and that energy is there for you. And that's the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life, knowing the situations you want support with, the gemstones that can help you, and using them. So if you're interested in learning about a lot of different gemstones and finding out which ones might support you best, then I discuss a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post the informational videos about the supportive benefits of that stone. And on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation designed just for that gemstone. So if you're interested in finding out your supportive gemstones, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you could see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you again next week.